So we have a chemistry question that says study the following elements. An element is a pure substance that cannot be split into two or more simple substances. So we're given this unknown element and again another unknown element. Now the question is saying write the electronic configuration of each element. When they say electronic configuration, it simply means the setting or the distribution or the number of electrons in each shell. You must know that these elements are given, they are neutral atoms, meaning that in a neutral atom, the number of electron is equal to the number of proton. This number down here, it is atomic number or the proton number, simply means that even the electrons are 6, even the electrons are 20. These two numbers you see on top, they are the mass number or the nuclear number. So what you do here is this. Since the question is talking about writing the configuration, so if you want to write the configuration, you're supposed to follow this number. You're supposed to follow this number, this number. Now this number in short is just a formula which helps us to find the actual numbers. So meaning that where there is n, it will put a 1. So 1 to the power 2 is going to give me 1. 1 times 2, it is 2. So meaning that in the first shell there must be what? 2 electrons. Again, if here I put a 2, so 2 to the power 2, 4. 4 times 2, it is 8. Meaning in the second shell there must be 8 electrons, which is the maximum number. Again, if I put a 3, so 3 to the power 2, it is 9. 9 times 2, it is what? It is 18, and so on. Now, what we do is we check this number. This is 6. So this 6, we're supposed to break it down into this form of numbers. So meaning out of 6, if I remove 2, so meaning I'll start with the 2. So I'm going to remain with what? With the 4. So this is the answer. How true is it? You simply add. So 2 plus 4, it is 6. What element is this one? It is carbon. How do I know? Because this last 4, this 4 here, signifies the group where the element is found. How about 20? So what you do, you break it into these numbers. So it will be 2 like this, you have seen. So meaning out of 20, I've removed the 2. So I'm now remaining with 18. Again, I'll put what? 8. You have seen, eh? So meaning that out of 8, the remaining 18, I've removed what? I've removed the 8. So now I'm remaining with what? 10. So out of 10 again, I can remove what? I can remove 8. So I'm going to remain with what? With a 2. So this is the answer. What element is this one? It is what? Calcium. How do I know? Because calcium is found in group what? 2. This 2 signifies the group where it is found. How true is it? You simply add. You say 2 plus 8 plus 8 plus 2, which is what? Which is 20 there.